Level 1 to getting your splits is the lunge stretch. So you will be on your knees and you will lunge 1 foot out, and you will alternate between stretching the inner hips and the thigh of the back leg and the hamstrings of the front leg. And of course you will do this on both sides. And you will start, of course, you start higher, and then as you start loosening up your hamstrings and your hips, you can get lower and lower with this stretch. And this stretch will start to loosen up and open your hips and your hamstrings, which are very important for getting your splits. Level 2 is to do pigeon pose, opening up the glutes and the hips and the thighs and the hamstrings, all very important for getting the splits. And level 3 is to do the splits with pillows. So the pillows support you as you get into that actual splits position. And this will get you into that split position with a little bit more support. And then as you start building your flexibility, you can start taking the pillows away and get lower and lower. And level 4 is to do the splits. And so you get into that splits position and you do the full splits. And you can start, if you can't get all the way down to the floor quite yet, you can start with supporting yourself with your hands, kind of like you were supporting yourself with the pillows in the previous step, and just to give you that little extra support, and then lighten up the pressure, how much you're supporting yourself with your hands, and get down to the ground, and get that full split position. So now level 5 is to do an extended split. So what you'll do here is you'll get into that split position and the front leg will be elevated. So now this is just for funsies. This is, not for everyone. Definitely not for everyone. But I'm just gonna throw it in here for funsies. But that would be the level 5, the expert level would be to do the extended splits. And now, science time. So now something to remember here is that stretching should not be painful. Okay, studies have shown that you actually get better results with lighter stretching, because intense stretching, of course, it creates more of an opportunity for injury, of course, and we don't want that. But it creates inflammation. It creates more inflammation, and also some studies have shown that what you may be doing with the intense stretching, more than actually getting muscular adaptation, is building up pain tolerance. Is more what you may be doing with the intense stretching, is just building up your tolerance to the pain for it. So what some of these studies have shown is that with lighter stretching, what may be happening is that you may be preventing that tensing of the muscle as you start to get that pain response, and so you're avoiding that, and then so you can actually start building adaptation in the muscle itself. So, building actual adaptation, which increases ROM and, of course, flexibility. So you're building your mobility and your flexibility by actually getting adaptation in the muscle itself, instead of just building up your tolerance to the pain. So I mean, a lot of these studies were a little inconclusive, but that's kind of what the main theory is. And I can link the studies down below in the description, or put citations or whatever, so that you can check those out yourself if you want to. But that's something that's important to remember, is don't hurt yourself. don't hurt yourself. And stretching, flexibility shouldn't be painful. So that is the FTR-U method for getting the splits. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And remember, train hard and stay inspired. And I'll see you next time.